Alright, pretty sure I'm recording. Just gonna take out these bandits. I made a bestial stew, so should be decent on stamina.
Now ain't this a surprise?
Go ahead. Try and fight back. No one that's the north.
Mark is a bit of a problem because he has AP,
You puny weak.
so I'm just gonna bait out his power attacks.
Pray to Stendar while you can.
Alright, so here's an opportunity to train some block. I'm gonna train block up right here. I would like to kill one of them first, ideally. Oops. Is this metagaming? Power gaming? Okay, here we are. Crack Tusk. I got a bounty for doing knife point, and the Jarl wants me to get him a Blackbriar mead. Hopefully there's one in here. Have a rigidity potion and stamina that I bought with bestial stew and this. I shouldn't even need this actually. I'll just take that one.
Now ain't this a surprise?
This should be good.
Just gonna go in on them.
I fought worse than you. I'll show you a real I'll skin you alive.
Damn, I hit the wrong guy. I hit the guy that swung first.
You puny weakling. That's your best, huh?
Just kite around this log forever.
I'll show you what a real fight can do. I'll skin you alive. No one bests an orc.
Cool.
You're a fool to fight. You puny weakling. Train a Stendar while
Really? That's a poison? Stamina drain though. Wild.
I fought worse than you. I'll show you what a real orc can do.
Cool. So I have to hit them like 20 times and they hit me once.
No one bests an orc. I'll skin you. I'll show you a real fight.
Awesome.
Puny weakling. This is what you want? I fought worse than you.
What?
I'll show you what a real orc can do. I'll show you a real fight. You'll be so much easier to rob. Just die. Train a Stendar while
How am I missing those?
I'll skin you alive. I fought worse than you. Trade a Stendar while you can. Die, damn you! That's it? That's all you got? You puny weakling.
Should be dying soon. I'm gonna start making my way over here.
No one bests an orc.
This weapon's a little too slow for that, for sprinting away as a power attacking, turning around and swinging. Jesus. It's a good thing I'm training heavy armor.
No more.
And I have a bunch of regen.
Now ain't this a surprise? God, we are routed. Fall back. Ah.
They are just great for training your combat skills. And you get a bunch of pelts here too. Smithing and combat skill ups. It's a good book to sell. Damn it, too early.
Looking for the raid? You want to murder? I'll skin you alive. You're a fool to fight me.
Are they gonna come up the stairs or no? Yeah, come this way. Nice. I'm gonna get to block 15 with this guy.
I'll show you a real fight. That it? That's
Wow.
your best?
Because I'm planning on blocking the boss. I think the boss has higher skill than one and two-handed in this guy. Yeah, just gotta be careful for that. We'll see. He has a steel greatsword. He should not one-shot me. We will see though.
I'll show
I
you
don't
what
trust
real
it.
orc can do.
Genuinely don't trust that guy. Let's just go.
No one bats an orc.
I think he's cautious about swinging on the bridge. I'll take him out here. Around the stump.
You're a fool to fight.
Nice.
I'll show you what a real orc can worse than you. Pray to Stendar while you can.
Yeah, he's fast. Faster.
No one bats an orc. Gonna split your belly like an old woman's purse. You're a fool to fight.
Fuck.
I'll skin you alive. I'll show you what a real orc can do. Come on, come on. I'll show you a real fight. You puny weakling.
Couldn't make up my mind which way I wanted to go there. I want to kill this guy first. No, I'll just take this guy on. I'm gonna try to block him.
You puny weak.
And if he kills me through my guard, he shouldn't. But we'll see.
No one bests an orc. I fought worse than you.
Yep. So what happens when you power attack? You lose all your stamina immediately.
You puny weakling.
I really want him to power attack so he can get me up to block 15. No, he doesn't want to. There it is. Seems to be out of stamina.
I'll show you what a real orc can do.
Awesome. So I was doing some math, crunching some numbers, and taking this perk right here should block. Let me pull out my little notepad. So every weapon has unperked, every weapon has different block rates, but once you take that perk, it looks like they all have similar block rates, or they approach similar block rates, which means this perk makes you approach the blocking cap, because once you take this strong grip perk and you take this perk after, you don't get any more blocking, even though it says 35% more block. Like this will straight up just cap your block. And you can take this one first and it will cap your normal blocking, but it won't cap your armor penetrating block, and this one will cap both of them. So there's two types of block. So for instance, like a normal iron greatsword blocks like 69% of normal attacks, normal attack damage, but only 48% of power attack damage, armor penetrating damage. Once you take the first perk and the second perk, you'll go up to, with an iron greatsword, you'll go up to 83% normal and 89% armor penetrating block. So you'll be strong. You can get cornered and get power attacked, and you won't really feel much. Actually, you'll feel 10% of it. And then once you take this, it doesn't really do much anymore. That said, this one's pretty good to take for the stamina recovery, and I think it's still worth the perk point. It's also worth the, if you want to skip the left one and just go straight to the top and wait till block 20, that's fine. You won't get 90% AP block, you'll get closer to somewhere in the 80s, which is still great. Should we do it? I don't think it's worth it. It's a 5-pound increase for 40 AR. Not worth. Looks pretty sweet. I don't know, maybe it's like a different tier of armor. I'm not quite sure how that works yet. From my testing, like the tiers don't really matter. You don't get much more like armor rating for different tiers if they do even exist. Let me make sure I looted the other guy. This dude. So now I can take damage, control damage from any source, normal or power attack, and I can train up block, and I can also train up restoration by taking small amounts of damage. So see how he was doing 5 damage. His power attack won't do much more now. See if I can get him to power attack. Whereas with the skeletons, their normal attacks were doing like 4 damage to my guard, but their power attacks are doing 10. Doesn't seem to want a power attack, so.
Like the bite off. Yeah. I fought worse than you.
So it goes from 40 to 5. Pretty good decrease. Come on, this guy fucking power attack, please, so I can see what the value is.
Time to die, hero.
59.
Just die.
He has a club, so he has armor penetration, I'm sure.
You're a fool to fight me. You can't win. Mercy.
Oh my god. I'm like so impatient. I want to kill him and put my sword away and like leave, or put my weapon away and leave. Pull it back too soon. Gonna take the loot in here and then go do another bandit camp. So I'll show you guys the boss chest and then I'll see you guys later. Another fantastic chest. It's 2 for 2. Alright, I'll pick it up later.